What was it? What did he say? It's what? It's low. I don't know what. I hear you. Huh. What did he say? It's loading? No, it didn't stall. It's actually really warm. It's really warm today. It's warmer than usual. Did I tell you a million times, don't ever turn off the flasher? You forgot. Awesome bike, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, this is truly an awesome bike. I don't care what anybody says. About this bike ride, it's that it's a little scary when you're like doing these quick stops. Obviously for obvious reasons, you know. So try to be careful with these sudden. Oh my god, dude, I fell twice. Try to be careful. Be really careful with these sudden stops because they're really bad. It's not as good as, oh my god, that's not good. I would say it's not as good as, feeling like, lagging until you actually reach that 600 level. Guys, as long as you're not at the Super Sport 600 level, you're never actually at that high point, The 600 Super Sports are like, the 600 Super Sports are like the highest level of bikes, like these ones are truly the level that you can achieve. Like if you get any 600 Super Sport is the highest level of bikes you can get. I haven't done it yet, and until I do, or if I do, that's going to be the highest level. So until I do, I haven't really achieved that high level yet. I'm playing with cruisers at 250s, but I haven't really achieved the level of the 600, which is the top level. And hopefully I will achieve it soon. Once you guys, oh, I could almost do a stoppie. Whoa, wow, you really could almost do a stoppie. But once you guys actually reach that 600 level is when you've achieved the maximum you can, or like they say, when you've become all that you can be, or whatever. So if you guys wanna get to that level, you have to get the 600 Super Sport. And the thing is, guys, the 600 Super Sport is probably the best motorcycle that was ever made. It's just it's so perfect. It's the best motorcycle that was ever made, no matter what you say. You can say whatever you want to say about it, but that's just the truth. These are the most advanced yet most easiest yet most beginner yet fastest yet easiest whatever. These bikes are everything. These 600 Super Sports are everything in one. Like everything you could ever imagine out of a motorcycle is the 600 Super Sport. Like it's not only as much power as you need, but it's more power than you need. Like I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if I have a motorcycle that can go 225 miles an hour and it can do stoppies and wheelies and it is like this sort of design, the easy to lane split with kind of design, I would be just fine. And I feel like you can get that in sort of like the FZ6, which is really good, but it's actually really heavy. So the R6 and the other Super Sports would be the next thing. Like better than that. Oh my god. So there's nothing better than a 600 Super Sport. You can get all these things, and you've never really quite achieved that level. So I have an epiphany that I have to get a 600 Super Sport, and I have to stop trying to avoid it because I know in my heart that once I get the 600 Super Sport, I've achieved the top level. Now, I can, this is a really nice way. It's so beautiful that way. I can get all the kinds of bikes and keep avoiding the 600 Super Sports, but until I get it, I have not achieved that high level. And as soon as I get that 600 Super Sport, I've completely done it. Like there's nothing past that except maybe a 750 or a 1000. But like the 600 by itself is all I would ever need, So I don't need a 750. I don't need a 1000. The 600 is not only all you need. It's more than you need. Like if motorcycle, like probably the Kawasaki Ninja 650, I'll probably be happy with that because I know I can do wheels and stoppies and go to 125 miles an hour with it. But once I get the 600 Kawasaki Ninja, the Super Sport, that one is like the highest level. Honestly, guys, the 600 Super Sport might be higher than the 750, and the 750 might be higher than the 1000. The reason is, if you guys think about it, let's just talk about top speed. The 600s can reach 170. The 600 Super Sports can reach 170 mph. Now, the 1000 Super Sports can reach 186. And in between the 750 can reach 170 something to 180. So you're really not getting that much more. And think about it. The exact same bike, exact same size, exact same weight. This is such a beautiful area. Exact same everything. I really don't think you guys can do stoppers on this because it doesn't have a dual disc brake. It just has a single disc brake. Yeah, so guys, it's really not worth it to ever get anything more than a 600. You know, the range is from 599cc to 636cc. And anything in between those is perfect. You don't even need to get the Ninja 650 because it's more cc's, but it's less power because of the design of it. Oh my god, am I really on 6th gear right now? Oh my god. Oh god. I'm so scared. Oh my god, I'm so scared around these waves because the roads are really scary. I don't even know where my brother is. Yeah, so guys, even the 2008 Ninja 650 is still sort of, I don't know, I don't really like it either. Oh my god, where's my brother going? Shoot, I have no idea where he went. I'm actually lost in translation. Just kidding, I actually am lost. Yeah, so guys, I think the 600 Super Sport is the highest level and there's nothing past that. I don't care what you say about, I don't even know where Costco is. I don't care what you say about the 750s and the 1000s and stuff. They're just like power in the dirt or whatever. Like the extra power is not usable. You can barely use your 600 Super Sport power, you know, on the streets and highways. I mean, I'm getting a few really paranoid right now. I'm feeling really unsafe. So anyways, I mean, at least all my friends that I know, they don't really use all the power of their 600s. I don't even think I would. I mean, I know I would just about, like I said, it goes 125 mph because that's equivalent to, oh my god, this is really bad. Oh shit. Oh god. Because it's equivalent to 200 kilometers per hour. That's all I would need personally. So I might be able to take it over. Oh damn, look who's waiting for me. That is so embarrassing, guys.